Hi, welcome to our pop-up edition of Make It Yourself. If you've picked up one of our little kits, this is what we're going to make today, these little button trees. You can use them for Christmas ornaments. You can use them as gift tags. You can leave the star off and use them as a winter decoration, whatever you'd like. These are really fun to make. You can get your own beads and buttons and do it yourself too. Okay, let's get started and see what we have to work with. That was fun, right? You certainly do not have to make yours that fast. And if you stick around, I will show you a more detailed version for those of you who would like a little bit more specific instruction. But you can make these in all colors. You can make them with your own buttons. You can make them with your beads. They turn out so cute. They're great gifts for people or to hang on your own tree. I would love to see your pictures. So please send them to me at info@trpld.org or share them with us on social media. If you do need that extra tutorial, stick around after the credits and it will be there. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me. Happy crafting and happy holidays. If you picked up a kit from the library, you will receive 2 bags with different colors. Just pull them apart and we're going to get started. So you should have a variety of beads. You might have different trunk beads like the one on my first tree here. Or you can have 3 little brown ones like this. You can put those off to the side for a second and then your star on the other side. Take the rest of your buttons and line them up in size order. Now your string, you may notice that it frays on the end. So it's up to you. You can either try using a needle if you have one that is small enough, or what I've also found works is just taking a little bit of glue, putting it on the end, giving it a little tiny twist, and letting it dry. Doesn't take too long. You're going to start with your trunk and your string. So you're going to take your string and have it folded evenly like this. You have your 2 end pieces here. Put your string through the holes, just like this. Start with your largest colored button. If you have 4 holes on your button, you only need to put it through 2 of the holes. You want to use the ones that are diagonal, not next to each other. And then if you want your tree to be loose, like this one, you can leave the tie off and just use your star. Now I do like to tie a knot at the top of the star just so that it doesn't slide around too much. Just do a regular knot right there. And then to tie off the end, keep your 2 strings together, wrap around your finger, poke your ends through the hole, and slide your loop up towards the end. You have a nice little finished product. Still here all the way to the end? Awesome. Well, I hope that detailed tutorial helped you out and you make lots and lots of beautiful little ornaments for your tree, for gift tags to give to your friends. Don't forget to share pictures with me, info@trpld.org or on our social media. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Happy crafting and happy holidays.